Hey everyone, and welcome back. Welcome to the channel. My name is Bubs B, and today I am bringing you guys the long-awaited wash and go video. You guys have been asking, and I've been delayed. Why? I don't know. But I'm here today to show you what I do to get this wash and go. This is first day here, and you see the definition. You see there's a lot of shine. My hair is very soft. It's movable, and you know, I got a cute little fro here, and I'm liking it. I am. So from washing to style, I did use products from Aljoa Beauty. I do want to thank them for sponsoring today's video. I really do appreciate it. I'm glad that I can show you guys this tutorial using nutrient-rich, super emollient, moisturizing and hydrating products. So I'm showing you guys every step I like to take to achieve a really good defined wash and go, and I will be showing you guys how I preserve the style. You're gonna see this style grow over a couple of days, because I know some of you guys have questions on how I actually preserve this hairstyle at night. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and we're gonna get right into this video. So my hair was looking a hot mess. It was looking very trashy. So I really needed a deep cleanse. I was going off of maybe a month-old hairstyle. I had retwisted. I did a flexi rod set. I did mini twists. I've done a ton to my hair and scalp, and my scalp was really suffering. It really was. So I did a little CPR on it with my shampoo. All right, I use the Blue Tansy clarifying shampoo. I really do enjoy this product because even though it says that it is a clarifying shampoo, this is not one of those shampoos that's going to strip your hair. Your hair is not going to feel weak or brittle or hard at all. You know how sometimes when you use a clarifying shampoo, your hair feels too stripped. You're like, oh, why is it so stiff? Where's my deep conditioner? This definitely does not give you that feeling at all. My hair is left very cleansed, but still soft and moisturized. I cleansed my hair 3 times. Like I said earlier, my scalp and my hair was very dirty, so I wanted to get all the buildup off, and this product did just that. It did its thing, okay? So after that, of course, I'm going in with my conditioning steps, and I didn't know if I wanted to use the conditioning treatment from the baomint line or the reparative hair mask from the Blue Tansy line. So I opt for the Blue Tansy hair mask just because I needed some added protein in my regimen, especially since I knew I was going to do a wash and go. This definitely had my curls super defined, plumped, moisturized, hydrated. I had a ton of curl definition. My hair was still soft. This is very luxurious and thick, and I know for a fact my hair appreciated using this, so I went in with this hair mask right after shampooing. So once I did that, I did go in with my leave-in conditioners. Yes, I did use 2 leave-in conditioners. I used the baomint leave-in conditioning styler on this side, on my right, your left, and I used the Blue Tansy leave-in conditioning styler on my left side, your right side. So the reason why I was doing that, because I am battling these leave-in conditioners. I'm trying to see which one I like more, or if I like a certain leave-in paired with a different product. So I'm just testing this out, but my hair was really soft. These are very moisturizing products. I haven't had any issue with it flaking. Everything worked and married very well. You don't need to use a lot from these products to feel the moisturizing benefits. So I pumped about 2 to 3 pumps per section. So on half of my head, I used 2 to 3 pumps. On the other side, I used 2 to 3 pumps. If you want to know my thoughts on these two, definitely stay tuned for the next video, because you'll see a more in-depth review of both of these. But applying it all over, my hair is left very soft. It's hydrated. It's moisturized. My hair feels super fluffy and lightweight. The Blue Tansy leave-in conditioning styler is a tad tad bit thicker, I would say. I definitely like how silky my hair feels while applying it, but the moisture still didn't lack at all. So once I applied the leave-in conditioners, I then topped everything off with the baomint moisturizing curl defining gel. So this is the current styling gel they carry in their line, and I did exactly as the direction states. It says to add the leave-in conditioner all over first on soaking wet hair, which I did, and then I went in super small sections, added a little bit of the gel, and made sure to rake it through my strands. So for my kinky type 4 hair, this is the best technique for me to achieve definition. I have to drench my hair with a ton of water throughout the whole process. I have to spray my hair down with water. You will see throughout the whole tutorial that I am going back in with more and more water just to ensure that I'm getting that curl definition. This defining gel works best on soaking wet hair. I haven't tried it on dry hair yet, but for me, this is a wet style and I need a ton of water for that. This is more of a creamy base gel. It does have a texture of a custard in my opinion, but it is able to capture the curl with ease. I don't need a lot of product at all, and my strands are not going to be left feeling crispy or hard. Don't get me wrong, this product does have a cast, so it will last for more than a week for me, but it's not going to be one of those crunchy hard wash and goes. So as you can see, I'm getting a small section. I'm spraying it down with a ton of water. I've already added the leave-in conditioner. Then I'm going in with my detangling brush to get any shed hair out and smooth the section down. After that, I'm applying a little bit of gel, not too much, applying it to the full section, and I'm smoothing that gel in. I'm pressing my hands together to ensure that this gel is evenly distributed throughout the section. Once I do that, I actually start to rake my hands down the section. This allows me to separate the curls. I like the big chunky clumps, but I do want my hair to be separated somewhat. Just to help the definition even more, I will curl my finger around those sections to ensure that I'm getting good definition on my ends. Guess what? You guys have an opportunity to win 4 full-size products. I want to thank Algebra Beauty for sponsoring a giveaway for you guys. It's very simple to enter. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. You also need to follow Algebra Beauty on their Instagram, and while you're at it, follow me as well on Instagram. I'm going to leave our handles down below, and make sure you screenshot your entries and send them to my email address, which is thebubsb@gmail.com. Definitely check out the description box because I will leave these giveaway details down below. go. As you can see, the wash and go is complete. My hair is super, super wet, and I'm going to spray my hair with a ton more water. All right. Like I said, I like to saturate my hair with a ton of water. Once I do that, I'm going to shake my hair from side to side. This helps to separate the curls even more and even clump the curls. So I'm getting that definition and that separation so I can get a nice fluffy fro. Once that is done, I am going to go under my dryer. I have a hooded bonnet attachment that can go on my blow dryer, and I'm going to dry my hair until it's completely dry. Well, it's about 80 to 90% dry. It does not take long for my hair to dry at all. When I have my hair in a wash and go state, it takes about 20 minutes. As you can see, I have a helmet head. I look crazy. My husband's been laughing at me all day because of this. I look terrible. All right. It's not a good look. Okay. So we're going to fix this. I am going to get my blow dryer out again. I'm going to dry my hair even further. All my hair was not able to get under the dryer, so I am drying some of my ends on some sections. Once that is done, you can see I have a super tight, compact fro, but you can see so much definition. Man, my hair is so soft, but there is a good cast. I know for a fact it's gonna last, all right? There's no denying that. Wow, I've been impressed with this gel. This is my second wash and go using this gel. You only need a little bit, and my hair is just clumped very well. I love it. I'm absolutely adoring it, but I need more stretch. I need some stretch, okay? Even for first day hair, I need something. All right? And now I'm just gonna go in with my stretching routine. For wash and goes, I just use my blow dryer to stretch my roots. I hold the section taut, and I use the heat just on my roots to elongate the section, okay? Yes, I'm going to lose some curl definition in the root, but I don't really care. I prefer a big fro anyway, and as long as you got that definition on the ends, as long as your hair is clumped and looking super defined on the ends, nobody needs to be knowing what your roots look like, all right? If people are looking that close, they're too close. Tell them to back up. Tell them to back up, all right? So now the hair is stretched, and I'm back with the finished results. And like I said, this is day one hair, guys. What do you all think? It was a process to get here, but it was so easy. Adwoa just stands out when it comes to performance, when it comes to quality ingredients that actually work for your hair. I'm loving their lines right now. Day 4, 5, can't wait because I know the fro is going to look so good. I'm going to get even more height with this afro, and I just cannot wait. I cannot wait. I'm loving my results right now. What do you guys think? Have you ever used a curl defining gel? I definitely think if you are a type for a girl like me, or even looser, this is one to definitely have in your arsenal because you're going to get great results, okay? Like I said, I do have a cast, okay? The cast is a good thing. That means that the style is going to last a long time. It's going to last me a couple of days. While I was blow drying my hair, I did go in with the Blue Tansy treatment serum. The reason why I added some of this is because this works great as a heat protectant, all right? You only need a squirt. You can use this on damp to dry hair, and this does protect my curls, but it's not a silicone-based serum. So this is still going to penetrate my hair. It's still going to protect the hair, but also leave that barrier so I'm not getting any heat damage. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I hope it was informative. I hope you guys got some tips and tricks that you guys can use to achieve your best wash and go. Yes. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave down below in the comments area what you like to see from me, what other hair tutorials you want to see using Adwoa Beauty, because I will be coming to you guys with more hair tutorials. Thank you guys once again for watching, and don't stop watching if you want to see how I preserve the fro, okay? Keep watching. So this is how I preserve my hair at nighttime. I band my hair using hair ties. I grab a section and then I apply the hair bands. The more hair bands I apply, the more stretch I will get. And the more sections I do, the more stretch I'll get as well. So on the first night, I usually have the most sections and the most bands because I really want a good stretch. After this, you're going to see my day 2 results, and then you'll see my day 4 results. Hey everyone, and it's day 4. I didn't come back and show you guys day 3, but I'm just going to close out this video. And like I said, this is day 4 here of this wash and go. As of right now, today, I feel like my hair feels a little bit dry. I think I could like refresh it, like use a refresher spray just to add a little more hydration, or just mist my hair with some water just to plump up my curls a little. But I do love how my hair is laying, everything's sitting. I find with wash and goes, I get more of that shrunken fro, but I like it. Like, I'm really loving the shape. Everything just looks so good. Everything looks so good, all right? So I may or may not let this hairstyle last for 2 more days. I think I can last 2 more days. I am going to just mist my hair with water before I band my hair tonight. And when I am banding my hair, I am going to use less sections. I'm definitely just going to do that. I'm probably just going to have 4 sections, 1 in the front, 1 on each side, and 1 in the back, and call it a day. After like the first couple of days, I really don't care about banding my hair as much. I just want to keep some stretch, but as you guys can see, the definition is still lasting. It's doing a decent job. I'm still having a ton of definition on the ends, but I don't really care about bending my hair. It's just a lot of work. It's a lot of work bending my hair every night. If you have the time and you have the patience and you just want to do it, I highly recommend to just band your hair every night so you can keep that shape. No, natural hair does its own thing. It does what it wants to do. So my hair is just going to do what it wants. It's going to do what it wants. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much, Adjoa Beauty, for sponsoring this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.